Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to harvest dragon fruit in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. Dragon fruit is a mythical tier crop and one of the rarest in the game. You can get the seed from Sam's shop, but it has only a 0.05% spawn chance, which means it appears about once in every 2,000 tries. It costs 50,000 shekels or 597 Robux. You might also find it in super seed packs, event seed packs, or as a daily quest reward. Once you have the seed, select an empty lot, equip the seed, and plant it. Dragon fruit trees are large, around 2.5 by 2.5 studs, so make sure there's enough space around them. The tree takes about 5 to 7 minutes to grow, and you can speed up the process using a watering tool or sprinkles. After the tree matures, it yields 2 to 5 fruits per harvest, and harvesting continues indefinitely. To collect the fruit, climb the tree and press and hold E near each fruit. If the fruit is too high, try jumping, climbing higher, or placing bamboo scaffolding. For easier harvesting, you can also buy the harvester tool from the gear shop, which lets you collect all fruits at once. So that's basically how you can harvest dragon fruit in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.